Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix NBA Live Mobile no sound. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my phone. So the first thing that you need to do guys is make sure that you close NBA Live, and after that go to settings on your phone. Once you go to settings, this is how it will look like. Depending on which phone you have, it might be different. So once you're here, scroll down until you find applications or apps. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on apps, go ahead and search for NBA Live Mobile. So basically, guys, this list includes all of the installed applications on your phone. Once you find NBA Live, go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to be right here in this page. So basically, guys, in this page, you're gonna find all of the settings related to this application. So right now, you're gonna find right here the notifications, allow the notifications, go to permissions, and then make sure you give it the notifications permission. Scroll down right here and set as default. Make sure to enable open supported links, and then keep scrolling right here. You're gonna find mobile data, battery, and storage. Go ahead and click on storage, and right here in the bottom you're gonna find clear data and also clear cache. So go ahead and click on clear cache. Once you click on clear cache, go back and then your cache will be cleared. All you need to do guys right now is go back to NBA Live Mobile and open it, and your problem will be fixed. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.